And what is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Weekend Warbucks. Today's video is sponsored by the wonderful people over at Naipo. They sent me this fabulous shiatsu neck massager, and they sent me a body massager, but we're going to get into that. But for this one, let me just tell you something right now. This is all kinds of awesomeness. Have you ever got done detailing your car, and at the end of the day, your neck and your upper back and your shoulders are just hurting you to death? I know it's happened to me. This is exactly what I needed, and I am so thankful for the people in Naipo for sending this to me. Obviously, it's got your controls right here, your power button. This has your rotation right here, whether it's counterclockwise or clockwise. And then it has the heat enabled, and then obviously your speeds right here. But right now, can you see this? Can you see this illustriousness going on? Oh, I just got chills. They literally went right down my spine because it is so glorious, and I love it with all my heart. Thank you ever so much. But now when we're going to get to talking about the body massager, there's really one thing that I truly love about it besides all the features that this one has. You can even use it in your car in between detailing jobs. All you do is plug it directly into your cigarette lighter, and again, it still even comes with this illustrious remote that has all the functions on it. And I don't think I'm going to be able to finish this video. I think I might stay here the rest of the day. So thank you very much to Naipo for sending me this and the neck massager. And oh my gosh, if you guys want one, go ahead. That link is down in the description below. Oh, this is, I don't even know if I'm going to want to edit the rest of this video now. Seriously, wow. This just, all right, anyways, let's enjoy the rest of the show, guys. I feel like my camera's a little dark right now. Probably is. And what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another Weekend Warbucks. Today we're going to do a quick review on a wonderful product, hopefully wonderful product, that was sent to me by the awesome people over at Dodo Juice. Now, they're a company that has all kinds of detailing products, from waxes to soaps, everything you can think of, they're going to have it. But they have quite the plethora of waxes and names. That's the best way that I can say this. But anyways, so today we're going to be testing out the Dodo Juice Purple Haze Pro. Now, this is only I think it's a 30 milliliter car wax. Now, this little container, I don't know how well you can actually see this in my camera right now, but they say that this could do 3 to 4 cars. Now, I don't know about that, considering I have an SUV, so maybe 1 to 2 SUVs, but we're going to test this out. It's only a little container here, and it was obviously freshly poured. Ooh, I like it. It has I don't even know. It's a pleasing scent. That's all I can say. But there's the Dodo Juice Purple Haze Pro, and then there's the regular Purple Haze. Now, from what I gather with the Pro, which we're going to be using today, is that it has a little bit more carnauba wax to it, and a little bit of a sealant to it as well. Probably not like a regular sealant that you would get from other companies, whatever. It's going to have a little bit of protection, I guess, the best, whatever way we could say it. But anyways, so the reason I wanted to test this out today is because right now I just got done washing my car in another video, and as you can see, the pressure washer and me had a battle. I won, don't worry. And I'm supposed to get about 2 to 3, maybe 4 inches of snow or something tomorrow now. I don't know what the truth is on that, but I figured, hey, if I'm gonna get all this wildness weather tomorrow, let's give the old wax a test and see how well it holds up. So this might end up being some kind of 2-part video, hopefully, I don't know. But we're gonna put it on the truck. We're gonna at least see how well it works. And the other fun thing about it is that it comes with its own little fun applicator. Now, I've wanted one of these, something on the lines of this. I don't know if I'm really gonna be using it. I'll probably use my regular foam applicator or microfiber applicator. But look, it's just a little 3-finger applicator, which is really, really nice right here. And see, it says Dodo Juice. So we might test this out, see how it goes. I might switch to my microfiber block, which I like better, and it's better for my hands. And yeah, so let's get it started, and let's test out some Dodo Juice Purple Haze Pro. All right, so we're gonna be testing this out, obviously. And right off the bat, as you can see, hopefully you can see this right here. It's a little container. We're gonna start out with the Dodo Juice applicator. We're going to try and get a little bit of the hood here so we can see this. Let's see how well this really does work. Now, it might only need a little bit. As you can see. It's definitely a thin layer wax. Wow. And I know I shouldn't be going in circles, but we're going to go in circles. Oh, wow. Now, okay, now I can see why they say, yeah, it's probably going to last you a couple cars. It's definitely a thin wax. Now, from what I also understand with this wax, it's not one that you have to, you know, wait 20 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever, to hurry up and wipe it off. It's pretty much wipe on, give it a second or two, wipe it off. It's not a major, you know, where you have to wait. Sorry for that noise, but that's what it's like living in this neighborhood sometimes. Yeah. It, wow. Hopefully you could see this in the camera. Literally, like, wow. This is definitely a no-effort wax. Wow. And it's, I kind of feel like I can feel it cleaning at the same time. I don't know if that's what I want to say. But yeah, let's let it set up for like a minute or two, and then we'll come back and wipe it off. All right, so as you can see, it is all set up. It's been a couple of minutes. I'm not taking any longer than that. I mean, oh yeah, it comes right off. So we have a brand new microfiber towel. Literally just unboxed it, or unwrapped it. And holy cow. Do you see this? Minimal effort to get all that wax off. That is incredible. So, let's see how it feels though. Oh wow. No BS. This is really nice. Yeah, that feels super sexy. Yeah. Wow. Let me finish up the rest of the truck. Let's see where we're at wax-wise, see how far we are at. Again, I'm still, if you can see here, I'm barely even used even like the top layer of the wax just for the hood. So we'll see where we're at. Maybe we'll be under what this amount is. Maybe we won't be, but we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna finish up the rest of the truck, and we'll give you another overview once we're all set up and completed. Let's see how long this is gonna take us. It is 1:30 right now. We're gonna see how long this is gonna take. Here we go. All right, so I just got done using the wonderful Dodo Juice Purple Haze Pro, and I'm gonna say, should do 3 to 4 cars. Yeah, I have my doubts, but I'm definitely gonna be able to at least get 3 times out of this little jar right here. I did not use the other applicator they sent. I ended up using my microfiber applicator instead. Worked as well as what this did on the front of the hood. I finished the rest of the truck up in just under 15 minutes. So that's pretty good for a little container like this and this big SUV. So we're gonna wipe it down completely, and then we're gonna do a final result, and then I'm gonna give you my final opinions on the Purple Haze Pro. Okay? Okay. All right. And so what is the final result on the Dodo Juice Purple Haze Pro? Look, I'm gonna say this right now. I barely used any, as you can see. Hopefully you can see, barely used any to cover up the Explorer here. And look, taking it off, I'm gonna have to say this is probably hands down the easiest wax that I've ever taken off of a truck, and unreal ease of use, and the car looks absolutely fantastic. The feel is just absolutely fantastic on it. Like, there's no doubt in my mind that it's covered. It has a protection on it. I guess it's supposed to be anywhere between like 2 to 3 months, which is great for a wax. Most of them, if you're lucky, you get like a month. Now, if I remember to do the follow-up video with this and see where we're at, you know, during the remaining of this winter, we'll see where we're at, because a couple months from now, winter should be over with any luck. So that's it. As for this product, if you want to get it yourself, that link is down in the description below. Definitely check it out. Super easy to use, and hey, you might only need a 30 mil, you know, because instead of buying like a huge jug of wax, use this, and like you'll get like 2-3 uses out of it, maybe even 4 if you're lucky, if your car's small enough. So let's take a look at the truck. But until then, so if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that bell, I guess. I don't know. Don't forget to leave a comment. And yeah, if you are new here, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you didn't, I'm glad you still watched, because, yeah, hey, a view's a view anymore here on YouTube. So that's going to be it, guys. Have a great day. Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time on Weekend Warbucks.